Students, today we will learn if a line is divided by a point by the ratio m1 ratio m2. So what will be the coordinate of that given point? Suppose we are starting exercise 7.2. Before starting exercise 7.2, we need to know how to find out the coordinate of a point which divides the line into given ratio. Suppose line AB is divided by point M, or you can say point C into the ratio M1 ratio M2. Suppose a line AB divides by point C into the ratio M1 and M2, or you are having the coordinate of A x1 comma y1 and coordinate of B x2 comma y2. So you have to find out the coordinate of C, but you have only the ratio of AC and CB are given. So how to find out? So for this purpose we are having one formula, coordinate of C. So coordinate of C is equal to coordinate of C is equal to, we will write here in big bracket, you can use m1 x2 plus m2 x1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So these are, that is coordinate of x or that is coordinate of y. For y we are using y2 and y1. For x we have used x2 and x1. So you need to learn it. This formula will be used several times in this exercise. So we can use it. Coordinate of C is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So you can use this formula for solving so many problems of this exercise. So students, now we will solve exercise 7.2, question number 1. So question number 1 says that read out the question twice or thrice before solving any problem. Find the coordinates of point which divides the join -1, 7 and 4, -3 into in the ratio 2:3. Suppose we have drawn a line AB, or coordinate of point A from your textbook, question number 1, -1, 7, coordinate of B 4, -3. Now we have to find out the coordinate of C here, or the C, the point C divides the line AB into the ratio 2:3. Suppose, so it will be M1 or it will be M2. So we know the formula we have written also in introduction. C is equal to, coordinate of C is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 and comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So what is y1, what is x1, or what is x2? So this one point x1 y1, or this point x2 y2. Put all the values. M1 is equal to 2, M2 is equal to 3. Put all the values, definitely you will get the coordinate of C point. So M1, or directly you can solve. First we will take 2, cross multiplication, 2 into 4, 2 into 4 plus M2 is equal to 3, 3 into -1 upon 2 plus 3. Directly you can write, or again 2 plus 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7 upon 2 plus 3. So now C, coordinate of C, 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, but it will be minus, or 3 plus 2, 5. And 3 2s are minus 6, 7 3s are 21, or 3 plus 2, 5. So here C is equal to 5 by 5, comma, 15 by 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 1 ja or 1 ja. So C is equal to 1, comma 3. So the coordinate answer we can write here, coordinate of C or coordinate of point which divides the line AB into in ratio of 2:3 is equal to, point is 1, 3. That will be the answer of given question. So similar method you can use for solving many problems of this exercise and other exercises. Students, now we will solve question number 2 of exercise 7.2. So question number 2 is that find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. So 2 points or 2 joining points are given, 4, -1 and -2, 3. Suppose they are A and B. Or we have to find out the coordinates of the point of trisection. So this line is divided into 3 equal parts. Trisection मतलब ये इस लाइन को 3 बराबर भागों में विभाजित किया गया है, 3 बराबर भागों में बांटा गया है. तो यहाँ पर अपन बोल सकते हैं एक ये पॉइंट हो जाएगा और एक ये पॉइंट हो जाएगा. So suppose it is C or it is D. So now the line AB divides into 3 equal part, AC, CD and DB. तो अब इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड है मतलब सारे रेशो क्या होंगे, इक्वल हो जाएंगे भाई. सपोज इट इज 1:1, 1:1, क्योंकि तीनों इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइडेड है. या फिर आप लिख सकते हो 2:2:2, 3:3:3, वॉट एवर यू कैन लाइक, बट all are same ratio. You have to write all are the same ratio. अब now we have to find out the coordinate of C and D. So again we will draw the line AB. Suppose it is A or it is B or C is situated here. Ignore D in second diagram. So A is equal to 4, -1 is given, or B is equal to -2, -3 given. Now we have to find out C. So here A2 difference between A and C is equal to 1 and C and B is equal to 1 plus 1, that means ratio 2. So now C divides the line AB into the ratio 1:2. So you can find out easily. That means M1 is equal to 1. Here we can say that M1 is equal to 1 or M2 is equal to 2. So we have used the formula for finding the coordinate of point C is, we know that M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2 comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. Now you can put all the values here. So definitely we can put the value. M1 means 1. 1 will be cross multiplication. 1 will be multiplied -2. 1 -2 plus M2 will be multiplied here. So M2 is equal to 2 into 4. Or M1 plus M2, that means 1 plus 2. And another point, another coordinate y, 1 into -3. 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1 upon M1 plus M2, 1 plus 2. So that means coordinate of C is equal to 2 1 ja -2, 4 2 ja 8, 3, -3 -2 or 3. So that will equal to 8 minus 2. So 6 by 3, comma, minus 3 to minus 5 by 3. So that is equal to, we can write here 6 by 3. That means 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So 2 comma minus 5 by 3. It is the coordinate of C. Now we have to find out the coordinate of D. So there are 2 or 3 methods for finding the coordinate of D. If you are having C, C is equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3. So you can take this line CB, or it is divided by 1:1, or you can put the value here. But if we don't want, so we will take again line AB. Again we will take AB, or here D is situated. The point D is situated. So that means A is equal to 4 comma minus 1 is given, or B is given minus 2 comma minus 3. Now we have to find out the coordinate of point D. So now difference between A to D is equal to 2 ratio, or D to B is equal to ratio 1. Now again we can use similar formula for finding the coordinate of D is equal to, so 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 4 upon 2 plus 1, 3, and again 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 is equal to D. So 2 to the minus 4 plus 4, 3, comma 3 to the minus 6, 1 1 ja 1, or 2 1 3. So it will equal to minus 4 plus 4, 0, 0 by 3 means 0, or minus 7 by 3. So we will get the point D. Here we can write 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So these are the points which divides the line into trisection, or 3 equal parts. So that will be your answer, D. So we can write answer, point C is equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3, and point D is equal to 0 comma minus 7 by 3. It is the solution and answer of this question. So you can solve it by using similar method. Students, now we will solve question number 4 of exercise 7.2. So read out question twice or thrice. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. So there are 2 points present here, A and B, or the points are divided by minus 1 comma 6. Suppose point C is dividing point, which is the coordinate of this point minus 1 comma 6. So we have to find out in which ratio the line segment AB divided by C. So we have to find out here M1 or M2, M1 ratio M2. Suppose, so we can write let point C divides the line into the ratio M1 ratio M2. If you don't like M1 ratio M2, so you can take in place of M1 M2 lambda comma 1 comma k comma 1, whatever you like. But here you can use both of ratio, but I am solving this problem by using M1 ratio M2. So here we have to find out in which ratio the point C divides the line AB. तो यहाँ पर ये पता करना है कि जो पॉइंट C है वो लाइन को, AB लाइन को किस रेशो में डिवाइड करता है. अभी तक अपन ने सारे क्वेश्चन में किया था कि कोऑर्डिनेट C अपन ने फाइंड आउट किया था और रेशो अपन को गिवन था. अब यहाँ पर उल्टा है, यू हैव द पॉइंट, coordinate is given, but you don't have the ratio. So suppose we have assumed the point C divides the line into the ratio m1 ratio m2. So how to find out? Similar method we will use here. So how to find out the coordinate of C is equal to, you know that m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma m2 y1 m1 y2, not m2 y1, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 and m1 plus m2. So now put the value. It is x1 y1 minus 3 comma 10. It is x1 y1 or it is x2 y2 or this one m1 or m2. Now put all the values here. So C is equal to m1. m1 means m1 into 6. m1 into 6 plus m2 into minus 3 is given, or m1 plus m2 we will write here. Then comma m1 y2 means m1 minus 8 plus m2 into 10 upon m1 plus m2. Now put all the values. C is equal to 6 m1 minus 3 m2 upon m1 plus m2, or comma minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2 upon m1 plus m2. Or point C is already given, minus 1 comma 6. So C is already given in the problem. Given coordinate of C is also minus 1 comma 6. अब ये अपन ने निकाले. We have found coordinate of C by using this formula, or we have already given in the problem minus 1 comma 6. That means both are equal. मतलब ये इसके इक्वल होगा x कोऑर्डिनेट के और ये y कोऑर्डिनेट इसके इक्वल होगा. तो अपन ले लें x कोऑर्डिनेट x के इक्वल होगा. तो कंपेयरिंग बोथ ऑफ देम, कंपेयरिंग, suppose it is equation 1 or it is equation 2. Comparing equation 1 and equation 2. So we will get here 6m1 minus 3m2 upon m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 1. Or you can take this one, both the y coordinate will be equal, but it is enough if you will take one coordinate. So now m1 plus m2 will be cross multiplied to minus 1. So 6m1 minus 3m2 is equal to minus 1 m1 plus m2. So we will write here 6m1 minus 3m2 minus m1 or minus m2, or m1 m2 transfer right hand side or m1 transfer left hand side. So 6m1 plus m1 is equal to minus m2 or plus 3m2. That means it is 7m1 or here 2m2. So now we will get 7m1 or 2m2. So 7m1 is equal to 2m2. So now we have to find out the ratio m1. Transfer m2 here or here 2, or transfer 7 here. So m1 ratio m2 is equal to 2 ratio 7. That is the answer or solution of this problem. So m1 ratio m2, that means point C divides the line AB into the ratio 2 ratio 7. Or you can use the y coordinate also for finding the value.